Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a kitchen appliance that promises to change the way you cook in smaller spaces or modern kitchens. This is the AMZCHEF 2-burner induction cooktop, and on the surface, it looks like a sleek, high-tech upgrade for anyone tired of dealing with slow, inefficient traditional stoves. Induction technology is a total game changer because it heats the cookware directly rather than heating the surface of the stove. This means faster boiling times, better energy efficiency, and a cooktop surface that stays much cooler to the touch. The AMZCHEF unit is particularly interesting because it offers a 12-inch compact footprint that fits perfectly into small apartments, RVs, or even as an additional burner for large dinner parties. Let us start with the design. It features a premium tempered black glass panel that looks incredibly professional in any kitchen. One of the best features is the flexibility of installation. You can choose to mount this as a built-in unit for a seamless look, or simply set it on your countertop and plug it into a standard 110-volt outlet. Having that standard plug makes this accessible for everyone without needing expensive electrical modifications. When it comes to performance, you get 1,800 watts of total power. It comes equipped with 9 power levels, which gives you precise control over your heat. Whether you are searing a steak or simmering a delicate sauce, you have enough range to get the job done right. The touch controls are very sensitive and responsive, making it easy to toggle between heat settings without any fuss. Safety is always a concern in the kitchen, and AMZCHEF has included a dedicated safety lock and a 99-minute timer. The timer is a lifesaver for busy cooks because it allows you to set it and walk away without worrying about overcooking your meal. It is important to remember that this unit requires magnetic cookware. As long as you have cast iron, iron pans, or magnetic stainless steel, you will be good to go. It handles pan sizes from about 4.7 inches up to 10.2 inches, which covers almost every daily cooking need. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, the design is stunning, it is incredibly easy to clean because of the smooth glass surface, and the dual burner configuration is perfect for multitasking. It is also portable enough to take on camping trips if you have a power source. On the flip side, keep in mind that since it is a compact unit, you are limited to 2 burners. Also, you must ensure your pots are induction compatible, otherwise they simply will not heat up. In conclusion, if you are looking to upgrade your cooking setup, save energy, and reclaim some counter space, the AMZCHEF 2-burner induction cooktop is a fantastic investment. It blends modern aesthetics with functional performance that is hard to beat at this price point. It is reliable, fast, and brings a professional touch to any home cook. Link in the description.